We'll take a look at the playbooks themselves. Kind of go through what our playbooks are designed to do. So once the event is created and it's been escalated to an incident, we're going to do a series of things where we're going to get the hash, we're going to run it through Alien Vault, we're going to run it through ThreatFox, and that's going to then feed into our condition statements to determine if it's malicious. If it reaches a certain threshold, we consider that malicious, and we go through our remediation process. On top of this, we're actually also creating our auto task tickets right off the bat. So our analysts no longer need to create a ticket by hand. What we're going to be doing, we're actually going to be grabbing the description, we're going to be grabbing the threat intelligence, and we're going to be feeding that directly into the auto task ticket. The analyst can also add any notes, and that gets passed directly to the ticket, which then gets passed to our partners and end customers. Once we've determined the file is malicious, we have actually two forms of methods here, so we can be flexible with our partners. I can either A, send an email directly to the partner or the end customer, saying, hey, we have this malicious file on hand. Well, do you approve us to kick off blocking the file hash, disconnecting from the network, mitigating the hash, rescanning the machine, and putting it back on the network? Once we get a response back from the end customer, the partner, it'll write to form saying, yes, we approve this, or no, it's denied. If it's denied, it'll immediately put pause on it until we get further information. If it's approved, our remediation process kicks off. And you can see we have, was this approved? Yeah. Okay, we're going to go right into mitigating the file hash and mitigating everything else. And then, yes, it's also approved to disconnect. We'll disconnect to the network. We're going to kick off a scan. Once we have those results back from the scan, we're then going to go ahead and put the machine back on the network as long as we've determined that the results are clean. If I pivot over one more, this is the exact same playbook, other than we've now removed the step to send an email to the partner. Some partners may want the IR process 100% remediated, and then they know after the fact that the process has been handled. So we're flexible with the options that we can give for our partners when it comes to playbook design.